a new dispensation. From time to time, there emerges within human awareness a new vision of life that sets us free to live in new ways that transform our lives and the world around us and enable us to participate more deliberately and consciously and intentionally in the ongoing process of universal evolution. And so, it is with great joy that we proclaim on this midsummer's night in the year 2009 the emergence of such a vision and its establishment within the consciousness of a significant number of people all over the world. It is a vision of ourselves as being perceptual mechanisms generated by an eternal and stochastic process in order to perceive what it may be and to realize these perceptions. We have chosen to call this vision that has been present within the awareness of a small minority of people from the very beginning of time, and which has since grown and emerged within human consciousness and now finds intelligible and comprehensive articulation throughout the world, the synthetist vision. All of us are born into the dominant dualist perceptual paradigm that teaches us to see ourselves as autonomous entities in a world that is a collection of discrete objects created by a creator or creators within time and space, and which will come to an end in time and space as well. This way of seeing ourselves and the world gives rise to the obsessive generation of desires and the compulsive search for their satisfaction through the consumption of ourselves and our universal environment, which dynamic gives rise to our current global civilization and its consumerist economy. There have, however, always been people who have been able to perceive, enter, and live within the synthetist vision. These are people who adopt broadly humanitarian values, who are inclusive in their thinking, who accept the doctrine of human rights, and who accept due democratic and legal processes. These are people who do not agree that the state or other institutions have the right to use violence and coercion in the implementation of their policies. These are people who do not agree that the police, the armed forces, and other agents of the state can use violence and torture. These are people who accept the right of every person to lead a life of their choice, as long as they do not cause physical and spiritual harm to others or to their environment. These are people who perceive reality as being dynamic rather than static, relative rather than absolute, and stochastic rather than deterministic. From ancient times, this small minority of people who have been able to perceive the synthetist vision have set up systems of teaching and training aimed at facilitating those who wish to move out from the dominant dualistic perceptual paradigm and into the synthetist vision. We have chosen to call this growing movement from the dominant dualistic perceptual paradigm to the synthetist vision the New World Movement. As more and more people join this New World Movement from the dominant developmental perceptual paradigm to the synthetist vision, those who have made the transition are beginning to link up to form a global network that will be a perceptual mechanism and a global strategic guidance system. The way of life and the individual lives of those who have entered the Synthetist vision have to be supported through the development of an adequate infrastructure, economy, and culture. The major component of such infrastructure will be the setting up of human habitat based on what can best be described as collective individual living. These settlements will be structured in a way that will enable each of us to live alone but in close proximity to others who share the Synthetist vision. Inhabitants of these human habitats will be linked to a comprehensive social support network that will deliver the support systems for which we are currently dependent upon our families, our religious institutions, and our nation states. These settlements will form the platform that houses the global network, and they will contain all the technologies that are required for the working of this network, as well as for the economy and the culture that are generated by the Synthetist vision. The economy generated by the Synthetist vision will be a spiritual economy. It will deal with products of the spirit such as knowledge, perception, the generation, projection, and sustenance of strategic visions, and of systems of healing that address the increasingly evident spiritual distress that attends the civilization generated by the dominant dualistic perceptual paradigm. The culture generated by the Synthetist vision will find expression through the temple of love, which is what the theatres of such cultural expression that will be found in all such human settlements shall be known. Religion will consist largely of systems of teaching and training designed to enhance individual perceptions and collective exercises and endeavors aimed at enhancing collective ones. We have established the Synthetist mission, the New World Movement, and the Temple of Love. We have also established the School of Life and the Spiritual Development Fund. We have identified those who share this vision and this mission as Synthetists. We have chosen to let their lives and work be known henceforth as Synthetism. We invite all those who share this vision and who are engaged in linking up to build the global network to accept those identities and entities and to work in synchronicity and in harmony with each other.